Riding a motorcycle is all about freedom and adventure, but without proper lighting, it can quickly turn into a safety concern. LED headlight kits are not just about aesthetics. They significantly improve visibility, ensuring a safer and more enjoyable. Riding a motorcycle is all about freedom and adventure, but without proper lighting, it can quickly turn into a safety concern. LED headlight kits are not just about aesthetics. They significantly improve visibility, ensuring a safer and more enjoyable ride day or night. Today, we're diving into the top 7 best LED headlight kits for motorcycles in 2024. From classic Harleys to modern bikes, we got something for every rider. Let's jump right into it. Number 1 is 7 LED Headlight Kit for Harley Davidson. The 7 LED Headlight Kit for Harley Davidson is a standout choice for riders looking to enhance both style and functionality. Its sleek design integrates seamlessly with Harley Davidson motorcycles, giving your bike a modern and aggressive look. Quality is at the forefront of this headlight kit. The durable aluminum housing ensures resistance to rust and corrosion, making it ideal for all-weather use. Inside, advanced LED chips provide a brilliant white light, delivering exceptional brightness and clarity for night riding. Usability is another strong suit of this headlight. Designed for easy installation, it comes with a plug-and-play setup, eliminating the need for complex wiring. The beam pattern is well engineered, offering a balanced mix of focused and peripheral light, which is crucial for spotting obstacles and road signs. Durability is guaranteed thanks to its IP67 waterproof rating and impact-resistant lens. This headlight is built to last, making it a reliable choice for long-term use. The 7 LED Headlight Kit ensures your Harley not only looks great, but also performs at its best when visibility matters most.
Still wasting money on ads that get ignored? Let influencers tell your story. Promotional Pack connects your e-com brand to the right niche influencer to reach your target audience. Get more sales with less spent. Link in description.
Number 2 to 5.75 Round LED Headlight for Harley Dyna. The 5.75 round LED headlight for Harley Dyna is a compact yet powerful lighting solution tailored for the Harley Dyna series. Its minimalist design complements the rugged aesthetic of the Dyna while providing cutting-edge illumination. This headlight features high-quality Cree LED chips that deliver an intense white light, improving visibility during nighttime rides and in low-light conditions. The high and low beam options are thoughtfully designed to maximize clarity, ensuring safe and comfortable rides. Usability is where this headlight truly excels. The plug-and-play installation process is hassle-free, allowing even novice riders to upgrade their headlights without professional assistance. Its compact size makes it a perfect fit for the Dyna, maintaining the bike's iconic silhouette. Durability is not overlooked, with a housing made of robust aluminum alloy and an IP67 waterproof rating to protect against the elements. Whether you're cruising through rain, dust, or fog, this headlight remains reliable. The 5.75 round LED headlight is not just about aesthetics. It's a practical and efficient upgrade for Harley Dyna owners who want better lighting without compromising their bike's classic look. Number 3. Road Glide LED Headlight with Turn Signals. The Road Glide LED headlight with turn signals is a premium option for riders who prioritize both functionality and aesthetics. This headlight kit is designed specifically for Road Glide models, offering a seamless fit and modern design. The dual LED setup delivers exceptional brightness, with focused beams that enhance visibility on dark roads and broader coverage for peripheral awareness. Integrated turn signals are a game-changer, adding an extra layer of safety and reducing the need for separate signal units. Quality is evident in its construction. The robust aluminum housing and scratch-resistant polycarbonate lens ensure durability. The LEDs are engineered for longevity, offering up to 50,000 hours of life, making this a cost-effective investment. Usability is another strong point. The plug-and-play design simplifies installation, allowing riders to upgrade their headlights without technical expertise. The turn signals are intuitive, ensuring smooth operation and better communication with other road users. With its sleek design, outstanding brightness, and dual functionality, the Road Glide LED headlight with turn signals is a perfect blend of safety, convenience, and style for long-distance riders and daily commuters alike. Number 4. 4x6 Rectangular LED Headlights for Peterbilt. The 4x6 Rectangular LED Headlights for Peterbilt are a versatile choice that fits not only motorcycles but also larger vehicles like trucks. For motorcyclists seeking a unique rectangular headlight style, this kit offers robust performance and striking design. These headlights feature high-intensity LED chips that deliver a powerful beam of light, significantly improving visibility during night rides. The beam pattern is carefully designed to reduce glare while maximizing road illumination. Durability is a key feature, with a rugged aluminum housing that resists impact, corrosion, and extreme weather conditions. The IP68 waterproof rating ensures these headlights remain functional, even in heavy rain or dusty environments. Usability is enhanced by the straightforward installation process. Whether you're replacing existing headlights or upgrading to LED, these 4x6 rectangular units are user-friendly and compatible with a wide range of setups. For riders looking to combine classic rectangular styling with modern LED technology, the 4x6 rectangular LED headlights for Peterbilt are a distinctive and reliable choice that stands out on the road. Number 5. Z-OFFROAD 7 LED Headlight with White Halo. The Z-OFFROAD 7 LED Headlight with White Halo is a stylish and functional upgrade for motorcycles, especially Harleys. The white halo ring adds a modern touch, doubling as a daytime running light for enhanced visibility. This headlight boasts premium pre-LED chips that deliver exceptional brightness and clarity. The high and low beam settings are optimized for both focused and wide-angle illumination, ensuring safety on all kinds of terrain. Quality is evident in its durable aluminum housing and shatterproof lens. The headlight is built to withstand harsh conditions, including heavy rain, extreme heat, and off-road adventures. Usability is streamlined with a plug-and-play design that requires minimal effort for installation. The white halo ring not only enhances aesthetics but also improves visibility during daytime rides, making it a practical and stylish choice. For riders who value cutting-edge design and reliable performance, the Z-OFFROAD 7 LED Headlight with White Halo is an excellent choice that combines safety, style, and durability. Number 6. Eagle-Lights 8000 900B8 5.75 LED Headlight. The Eagle-Lights 8000 900B8 5.75 LED Headlight is a compact powerhouse designed for riders seeking maximum brightness in a smaller package. Its round design fits snugly into motorcycles with 5.75 headlight slots, maintaining a sleek and classic look. This headlight features high-quality LED chips that produce a bright white light, improving nighttime visibility and overall safety. The high and low beams are well calibrated, offering both long-range focus and broad peripheral lighting. Quality is a highlight, with robust materials ensuring long-lasting performance. The aluminum housing resists corrosion, while the polycarbonate lens is scratch-resistant and built to withstand impacts. Usability is made simple with its plug-and-play installation, making it an accessible upgrade for all riders. Its compact size and versatile design ensure compatibility with various motorcycle models. For riders who want a reliable, bright, and durable headlight, the Eagle-Lights 8000 900B8 is a premium choice that delivers on all fronts. Number 7. LED Headlight with Mounting Bracket for Harley. The 7 LED Headlight with Mounting Bracket for Harley is a comprehensive kit that includes everything you need for a seamless upgrade. Its classic round design with modern LED technology makes it a popular choice for Harley riders. This headlight delivers exceptional brightness with advanced LED chips that ensure clear and consistent illumination. The high and low beam settings are perfectly balanced, offering both focus and wide-angle lighting. Quality is apparent in the sturdy construction. The aluminum housing and impact-resistant lens provide durability, while the included mounting bracket ensures a secure and stable fit. Usability is a standout feature. The kit's plug-and-play design simplifies the installation process, and the mounting bracket eliminates compatibility concerns. This headlight is tailored for Harleys, but can fit other bikes with similar setups. For riders seeking an all-in-one solution for better visibility and style, the 7 LED Headlight with Mounting Bracket is a reliable and practical choice that delivers exceptional performance. That concludes our list of the top 7 LED headlight kits for motorcycles in 2024. Whether you're upgrading for style,